When you see it in person, you don't quite know what you're looking at. It doesn't look like paint. It doesn't look like a wrap. It's not quite fully matte. It's just beautiful.
Vibe blowing at the jack, at the loud jumping at the bag. Everything I'm on slack. Everything I do is at the bench jumping at the bag.
Hey, it's Dwight here from Mountain Yotas, and we're with Lucas from Alpine PPF. He does all of the PPF here at our favorite wrap shop, Pureblind. And we also have our brand new 2025 Land Cruiser that we are building. It's already got suspension wheels, tires. We have a Sherpa rack for it right now, and it's getting a full matte PPF wrap from the master here, Lucas. This is Stek PPF. And there's a big reason why we're doing this. One, it obviously looks amazing. It's kind of like a satin finish, but it still has a little bit of gloss, but it's matte, but it's still kind of, it's just amazing in person especially. So I hope that translates to you in this video, how great it looks. But there's major functionality to doing a full PPF. It's basically clear bra, right, Lucas? Explain this.
Yeah, so essentially what most people know PPF as is clear bra. You used to put a clear sheet of film on your car to stop rock chips. It's advanced since then, from colors to, as you see on this, is a matte finish. So this is a clear matte on top of the already beautiful paint. We want to preserve it, protect it, lock it in. So we just kind of threw it on there, and it, as you can see, it changed the color.
If you've ever tried your hand at installing vinyl, it's really hard. I think that this makes it even harder because it's a wet application, right?
Yeah, so we use a slip and tack solution. So essentially we have a slip to put it on and then tack to kind of lock it down. But it is fully water install. You don't want to do it dry.
It is definitely more expensive than just a vinyl wrap, but what's cool is you can actually do vinyl on top of this. So normal vinyl wrap sticks to the top. People might get sticker shock when they hear the price on a full PPF wrap compared to a vinyl wrap. It is more expensive. There's a reason for it. And part of that reason is this vehicle is gonna be here all week, right?
Yep.
Monday through Friday, and it's a full breakdown of everything. So the entire front end's broken down. Every door handle's taken off, every piece of molding, all the trim, it's all removed in order to do the installation correctly. Now, if you go to a place that doesn't do this, you shouldn't be there. So any color change, any full PPF wrap, you always break down everything?
Yeah, even if it's clear, our goal is to wrap edges and to get as much coverage as possible. It does require a full teardown to have this kind of quality.
Lucas does supercars. He does everything really, really high end. That's why he teamed up with Nick to start doing PPF out of this shop. Pureblind, by the way, if you don't know. If you've seen any of our content, you already know Pureblind. It's our favorite. They do art wraps. You've seen their vehicles if you've seen our content before. If you haven't seen it, go check out anything. Every wrap you've ever seen from us, it came from Pureblind. This one on the Land Cruiser is getting vinyl on top, and it's gonna be very subtle, very clean, very corporate, not super loud and crazy like most of what we do with art wraps, but this is a classy vehicle. We're going full class with it all the way through, all black and white, and this will be a very daily driver friendly vehicle. We're not going full balls to the wall. It's 35s that fit really easily. Eventually this truck is going to get descent armor on it, but we're gonna go as sleek and lightweight as possible with maximum protection. That protection plays into why I wanted PPF on this entire vehicle in the first place. This is a $70,000 vehicle. It's brand new. It's going to go off-road, but we're not gonna put it on like buggy trails or anything where we're risking putting this thing on its side. So the only way we're really gonna see body damage on this vehicle, besides impact, would be where trees rub up against your paint and scratch it. So you've seen demos before online, I'm sure everybody's seen them, where people are either pushing screwdrivers through PPF to demonstrate it, or they're literally keying a car because it kind of self-heals. And how does that work, man? Like,
yeah,
what do you do if you get scratches on a PPF wrap?
Yeah, as I'll put it this way, it's a preventative measure, right? So like anything hard enough, you can eventually get through it. But the nice part is most scratches and damage done to it will self-heal with either hot water or the sun. Heat is friendly, so it dissipates any of the micro scratches or the deeper cuts into it. And essentially it's the top coat that is the self-healing film.
And now a couple more important points to mention. This is Stek is the material. It's premium material. It's kind of the top of the line there is, right? There's nothing better.
It's who I switched to about a decade ago, and I haven't switched back or switched to anyone else. So.
Right, and they have a 10-year warranty?
Yep, 10-year product warranty. Their customer service is absolutely phenomenal. In that 10 years that I've been doing it, I haven't had one warranty issue on this entire product. So.
That's awesome. What does the warranty cover from Stek?
As far as the film itself, it will cover everything from yellowing, bubbling, cracking, any delaminating, peeling issues within the center, things like that. As long as it's not an install error and it's a film error, they'll take care of it, whether it's a full replacement, including not only the cost of material, but the labor to have it done as well.
That's huge.
Yeah.
Covering the cost of labor on parts or supplies is massive from them. So Stek really puts their money where their mouth is on their product. What about you? What if there's something wrong with the installation and stuff gets messed up? Do you do the same thing?
Yeah, it's similar. Just like Pureblind, we have a 1-year install warranty, so we will absolutely make sure that everything is locked down for good. If it does start to peel up and it's an install error, we'll take it off, whether that means just the panel or all the parts that are necessary to come off with it, and we'll rewrap it. It's just part of the quality of work you're gonna expect.
Right on, man. One more thing I have to point out. We're about to make a reel for this for Instagram. We treat Instagram a little differently. If you're not on our Instagram, go follow us on there. It's at MTN Yotas, same as the YouTube channel. By the way, Alpine PPF on Instagram.
Alpine PPF, one word.
Perfect, so go follow him too. Check out our stuff if you're not already there. And when this comes out, we're gonna have a reel posted too where we're gonna spray paint the hood. So this has PPF on it, and we're gonna make it outrageous. You can actually remove permanent marker, spray paint, and all you do is rub it to get it off? Or what's the process if like someone spray paints your cars and writes cheater on the side while you're asleep?
For the most part, when I've removed paint or any kind of debris on top of it, a lot of it just kind of comes off with glass cleaner. So it's pretty simple. If you have to, if it's something a little bit deeper, you can use some alcohol, but it will come off. It also has a built-in hydrophobic coating, so that helps all of that kind of just not get penetrated into the film, and it just comes off when ready.
So that helps a ton. If you've ceramic coated any vehicles, you know the benefits of having like a hydrophobic coating. It's a lot easier to wash your car. At this point with my vehicles that are ceramic, I literally just take it to the wash, hand wash, I spray them down, that's all I do. The question everyone's gonna wanna know is how much is this wrap going to cost?
Sure.
Full PPF, let's say we do it without the vinyl that we're gonna be adding to this.
Yeah, a full-size vehicle, essentially covering everything, including full breakdown, your average typical cost is gonna around $8,500 for something this size. Your 4Runner will kind of fit in that as well. If you think about a Bronco a little smaller, it's gonna be roughly around $75.
Cool, so again, that seems like a lot, but it's a week of work. The materials are very expensive. You have to have a highly trained expert in the field. You want someone as experienced as Lucas. In fact, you want Lucas to do this, so come to Pureblind and have Alpine PPF done on your vehicle if you're thinking about this. But one of the things that you have to remember, just like a wrap, but even better with PPF in this case, it's gonna protect the paint underneath. So when you get a brand new car, and let's say it's a brand new $70,000 Land Cruiser, this is going to keep the paint and factory clear coat in its factory condition. So if someone doesn't want a PPF for some reason, they'd be nuts. But if you sell your car, it's gonna be brand new underneath. Of course, you're gonna wanna keep it and it's gonna increase the value of your car. Maybe not by the full $8,500, but it's not like you're lighting that money on fire. You're retaining the value in your asset, the vehicle, even more. And you're also just making it look awesome. This is something, when you see it in person, you don't quite know what you're looking at. It doesn't look like paint. It doesn't look like a wrap. It's not quite fully matte. It's just beautiful. So I'm super excited about this. Lucas, I appreciate all the hard work you put into this.
It's been a pleasure.
And again, go check out Alpine PPF on Instagram. Obviously follow Pureblind, that's where we're at, and they are the wrap masters. Can't wait to show you the finished product on this. I'm sure Leo's shown all sorts of B-roll, magic, spray paint, we're keying cars, doing all sorts of stuff. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel and go check out some of the adventure videos that we posted. Peace.